Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products for you and your family. Today, we have an amazing find that's perfect for your little ones: the HTEVW 6-pack stainless steel snack containers. If you're on the lookout for the best snack Tupperware for kids, then look no further. These snack containers are not just cute and fun, but they're also practical and designed with kids in mind. Let's dive into what makes these snack containers stand out. First off, the size. These 6 ounces containers are the perfect size for kids' lunches, and they fit easily into lunch bags or backpacks. They're small enough for a quick snack but big enough to hold the right portion of fruit, nuts, yogurt, or whatever your kids love to snack on. Plus, they come in a convenient 6-pack, so you'll always have extras when you need them. The materials used are top-notch. These containers are made from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel, which is durable and eco-friendly. It's a great alternative to plastic, which can stain or break easily. The silicone lids are food-grade and leak-proof, meaning no messes in your child's bag. The lids are easy for kids to open and close but still provide a secure seal to keep everything fresh. You'll love the stackable design, which helps save space and keeps everything organized in your pantry or fridge. Now, these snack containers are also easy to clean. You can toss them in the dishwasher, making cleanup a breeze. They're also fridge and freezer safe, so you can store snacks ahead of time, ready for when your little one needs them. And, of course, the stainless steel material ensures that your food stays cool or warm, depending on your needs. These containers aren't just for snacks, either. You can use them for everything from dips and sauces to cut fruits, yogurt, oatmeal, or even small portions of a meal. They're great for school lunches, daycare, road trips, or even birthday parties. Anywhere your child needs a portable and reliable container. The design of these containers is not only functional but also cute and colorful, making them a hit with kids. It's the perfect combination of practicality and fun, all wrapped up in one handy product. So, if you're looking for a snack container that's safe, durable, and kid-friendly, the HTEVW stainless steel snack containers are a must-have. They'll make packing lunches or snacks a whole lot easier, and you can feel good about reducing your plastic use while keeping your kids happy and satisfied. Make sure to check out the link below for more details. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned to Product Critique for more great product reviews.